Hello, everyone. We are back with our third video. I'm Sulbha. I'm the Learning Design Specialist for AmplifiU, and meet my friend.
Hi, I am Paras. I am founder of AmplifiU, and we are back again with Draft and Craft series. What are we doing, Sulva?
Yes, so let me quickly brief our audience what we have done so far. So far, we are working on a project document on SDG 5, which was based on gender equality for grade 3 students. So till now, we have seen how we can create the document using our project template. Then in the last video, we've also shown you all how we can enhance the document by adding a video to your existing document and also a graphic or an image that you want to add to the document. So today we are going to take it up from there. Yes, over to you, Paras.
Awesome. So now we are going to show how you can edit the document, how you can extend the document to your classroom needs, to specific need of your students as well, and then add activities and other things as you like best. And you are the expert in the classroom, so you uh, can dictate AI what you want exactly. AI is just going to help you, but you have to take control, you have to take the responsibility and extend the document the best way possible for your classrooms.
And as we always say, and hence the name of the series, we draft, but you craft.
Absolutely. So what do you want to do now?
Yes, so let's see what the document is about. So can we look at what is the activities that it has suggested?
Mhm.
Okay, introduction, story, video, or discussion. Yes, we've already added the video. Who are my everyday heroes? List and discuss people who help us every day.
Mhm.
Do you think we can add a couple of activities, like some good activities for children to do in class?
I think so, because if I look at the document, I feel that the activities are missing. This is the problem or challenge with AI. It gives you
Hmm,
the basic content, but it does not understand what you would need in the classroom. So you have to tell AI what exactly you are looking for, and then AI can help you with that.
correct.
And this is where most of the tools, AI tools, struggle, because they give you a large documents in a few seconds. But if you start using those documents in your classroom, you realize that there are things which are
Yeah.
missing. Hmm.
The context is not there, right? So they
Hmm.
don't know our kids as well as we do. So yeah, I think let's add a couple of activities and then see how we can adapt it.
Let's do it.
Hmm.
This is the end of the project. We don't need this. Let's ask AMP to create some activities. Just press a
Yes.
space bar at the bottom. So what we have done is in AmplifiU, AMP is available to you all the time. You just have to call it with a space bar or by selecting a text. So anywhere on the page in the new line, you just press a space bar and AMP is available, and you can ask AMP to do whatever you want. Suggest an activity, Subha.
How about we do a fishbowl type of an activity? Let's use the fishbowl pedagogy.
Right. Fishbowl is a fantastic pedagogy where it's a group discussion activity. There are two groups, inner
Yep.
circle and an outer circle. Inner circle is where the participants discuss the topic, and the outer
Yeah.
circle is comprises of most of the classroom who are active listeners. They're listening to what discussion is being happening, and then teacher can swap people from inner circle to outer circle and outer circle to inner
Yeah.
circle, so that everyone can contribute and participate in the discussion. So we can do that as well. So let's create a fishbowl activity on the topic. Give me a fishbowl activity to play in the classroom. Let's see what AMP comes up with. And we can always edit and adapt.
Absolutely.
Mhm.
The best part
So
I like about this is, that it is also telling me what is the materials that I'm going to need. So, I will be ready and prepared for my class, right? Like it's telling me that, I need 6 to 8 chairs, I need a timer, I need all these things, right? It's wonderful.
mhm,
And also for those who have never played this game, it's also given me an how to play instruction sheet.
absolutely. And
That's
that's a
wonderful.
fantastic thing. In fact, some of the teachers have told us in the past as well. They have tried activities that they have never heard of before, and the classroom kids love those activities, and the teacher learned something on their own as well. So this is more like a serendipitous moment where teacher stumbled upon something, their curiosity just picks up, and they said, oh, let me try this, and they try, and AMP is able to help them out without any fear, without any judgment. They can experiment with different pedagogies, new techniques in the classroom, and then eventually they're learning on their own as well. So it helps teachers their own professional development as well.
Right.
What do you think about the activity?
I think it is superb. I
Mhm.
think it is just giving me everything that I require. However, I'm just thinking out loud. What if since Fishbowl is all about types of circles where we also are kind of evaluating the students not on a knowledge, but also on how actively they are listening. Can we have an observation sheet that's made for the students?
So give me an observation sheet for both students and teachers and teacher for this fishbowl activity. The best part is you can review everything here, and if you don't like, you can ask it to review or change the instructions here. Okay. So observation
Wonderful.
sheet for students and then observation sheet for teacher.
Hmm. Lovely. It's very simple and precise. What is it that she's going to look for? And it's like yes, no, and notes. So that's fantastic because, she wouldn't have so much time because I'm assuming the discussion is going faster. So she doesn't have to, like, she has to be attentive there as well. I'm just loving this. But what if a teacher's clueless and she doesn't know what type of activities to carry on? So do you think AMP will help her there?
I think that's a fantastic one because in many situations, when I speak with teachers, they say that they want to try something, but they don't know what they are looking for. So, and
Yeah.
AI is so powerful in these areas where it can generate different ideas. It can suggest you different activities. So probably it's a good idea to ask AMP to suggest some relevant activities
Yeah.
for the classroom. Give me 3 relevant activities.
Yes. Also, can we add like it should be a low resource activity? Like, I do not want to be,
Mhm.
you know, really planning a lot and creating a lot of sheets and stuff. So, can we, tweak it to having like very low resources? Because I'm sure, every time the teacher, it's very difficult for her to kind of, collate the material for each and every activity.
Role swap skits. That's an interesting one.
That's a very interesting one.
It's a creative activity.
Yes.
My gender equality badge.
I think it's just telling it to kind of create a batch for themselves. Like, wow, that's good. I'm loving it. I
So
just
this students can
loved
make
the
it.
second activity, because there
Mhm.
is so much of a set stereotype about the things that boys can do and the things that girls can do. I think this role reversal thing is going to be super interesting to see.
Hmm. And they can play at home as well
They
with
can play at home
with their
as
sisters, brothers, and
yeah.
cousins, or friends in the on the street,
Hmm.
mhm, in the neighborhood.
Yeah, the previous activity also, Paras, do you
Mhm.
see this? Like the equality tree. Wow. And they're going to stick leaves on it. That is so good.
And this aligns with the CBSC's creative art integrated project as well.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Wow, wonderful. I'm just loving this. So, yeah, I think teachers, you can use your creativity. We've just given you all a small little glimpse of what you can do to enhance your chapter, from videos to images to activities. You are the boss, and keep crafting, keep drafting. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video.
We loved having these conversations because the feedback from teachers has been really awesome. Teachers are appreciating, they're asking for new things. So we have a big backlog of new activities that we want to try in the
Yes.
classrooms in this draft and craft series. So put your request as well. So the more votes we have for more activities, we are going to pick them up. So
Yes.
we will see you next time. Till the time, stay safe, have fun.
Bye.